Hi people, Newbie back again. You recognize me today because I found my hat. I knew I would. And yeah, it was right where it was supposed to be. Go figure. I mean, sometimes, when you get to be my age, things just don't work. Anyway. So thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back and joining me again. And today, we're going to see how that experiment with that waterfall worked out. Let's get right to it. Okay, here we are. I guess it looks like it might have dried clear. See if we can get it off of here. Got a little scraper. And it's not wanting to come off. I thought about using wax paper. Maybe I should have. Here we go. Well, I think the answer is no. It's not going to come off of this paper. This paper is, like I say, it's a slick photography paper, but it's gripping it too much. It's not going to. Actually, it's still pretty pliable, and well, back to the drawing boards. This stuff is pretty sticky. Let's get some wax paper, see if that works. Well, the camera battery died sometime in the middle of that process, but anyway, there it is. It's that's all done. We'll let that set for a while, overnight at least, maybe a couple days. I'm looking at how sticky this still is, and I'm thinking maybe overnight's not going to be enough, but that's pretty sticky. Anyway, we'll give it a day or so. Try again. Oh, while we're here, look at there. Okay, so it's still a little sticky. I pulled it up off the paper. Some of the paper's still sticking to it, and it's maybe I should have let it dry a little more, but that's kind of what I was looking for. You see, I'm going to have to trim some of the paper stuck to it, and it's not really very clear, but it's still sticky. I did this yesterday, so it's probably, maybe I should let it set a couple days before I do this, but you know, that's kind of what I got in mind. You know, I guess, you know, from 3 feet away it looks like water, looks like a waterfall. So that's I guess that's kind of what I'm looking for. I don't know. I was hoping it would be a little more clear and maybe even show through the back a little more color behind it, but I don't know. And I'm not gonna. I'm just sticking it in there right now by like that. So I don't know. But I wanted to give it a try and see what it looks like, and I'm not entirely disappointed. I mean, it looks okay. I think you get the idea that maybe it's a waterfall. So yeah, I might try again. I might try putting down another. I ran out of that caulk, so I might get some more caulk and try again, put down another bead and let it set for maybe a week or so before I pull it up. Or maybe this will, you know, change color after it dries more. I don't know. But, you know, if that's the way it ends up, I don't think I'm really disappointed with that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get to work on the river and the lagoon and down at the bottom and all that stuff. I need to still do some work on that. If I move down a little bit here, if I pan down and zoom in just a little bit, you see that bridge there, that lower bridge, still needs a lot of work because I actually had to make it much taller than it was designed to be. And so my plan is to take some styrene and continue this on down, so basically make this base larger down here, so that, you know, so that it looks right. I mean, to me that doesn't look right, and that's a little crooked right there. But anyway, you know, there's work to be done all over the layout. But that's it. That's where we are today, and so we now have some semblance of a waterfall. Well, people, I guess that's kind of it for today. Over my shoulder, up there, you see we have Waterfall now. It's not looking too bad, and I think there's a train going through there somewhere right now. I can't see. The monitor I'm using is so small that I can't tell what's going on behind me, but I hear noise. And, oh, here comes the train now. Yep, just running a couple trains. Now, I only feel comfortable running 2 when I'm doing something like this because, you know, if a car jumps the track or something like that, you know, I could have something on the floor, which brings to mind that I need to finish getting the fascia up so that hopefully it can protect the cars and keep them from dropping on the floor when they come loose. But hey, that's enough for another day. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that little button on that side. I think you know, over here or over there, it's backwards to me is the problem. So, you know, but anyway, thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'm still seeing like 60% of my viewers are not subscribers. That's, I don't know. But I'd really like to reach that 1,000 subscriber mark. I had hoped to do that by now, and I'm kind of stagnant at the 450 some. So but hey, I'm having fun. It doesn't matter. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and come back again, because we'll see what's going to happen.